Solving simultaneous equation using substitution method. If you are using substitution method, 4 steps are involved. The first step is to isolate one variable in one of the equations. The second step is to substitute the expression for the isolated variable into the other equation. The third step is to solve the existing expression. And the last step is to substitute the value of the solved variable into the expression of the isolated variable for the isolated variable to be known. Now let's solve this question using substitution method. We are going to label our equation. Now the next thing is to isolate one variable in one of the two equations. Let me go with equation 2. I'm going to make P the subject of the formula. It means I will isolate P. 3P minus 2M is equals to 3. Minus 2M will come to the other side of the equation. So it's going to be plus 2M. 3P is equals to 3 plus 2M. After that, you are going to divide both sides by 3 because you want P to stand on its own. Divide both sides by 3 and divide both sides by 3. This 3 will cancel this 3. P is equals to 3 plus 2M over 3. Now the next thing is to substitute the expression of the isolated variable into the other equation, which is equation 1. But before we do that, me getting this, it has formed another equation entirely, which is equation 3. Now you are going to substitute this expression into the other equation, which is equation 1. You have 2 open bracket 3 plus 2M close bracket over 3 plus M is equals to 7. Use these two to open the bracket. You have 2 times 3 6 plus 2 times 2M 4M over 3 plus M is equals to 7. Write this over 1, write this over 1 so that it can be in fractional way that you have this. The next thing is to find the LCM. The LCM here is 3. Multiply all through by the LCM. You have 6 3 open bracket 6 plus 4M over 3 close bracket plus 3 open bracket M over 1 equals to 3 open bracket 7 over 1 close bracket. This will cancel this. How many 1 can you see in 1? 1. 1 in 3 will give us 3. 1 here, 1 here, it will give us 3. Let's open the bracket. You have 6 plus 4M plus 3 times M. 3M is equals to 3 times 7, 21. I'm going to solve this and this because they are like terms. So let's add them together. The next thing is to bring this 6 into the other side of the equation. So you have 7M is equals to 21 minus 6. 7M is equals to 15. So we are going to divide both sides by 7 so that the M can stand on its own. 7M over 7 is equals to 15 over 7. 7 will cancel 7. So our M is equals to 20 number 1 over 7. The next thing is for us to substitute the value of the solved variable into the equation, which is equation 3. I mean the expression of the isolated variable, which is 3 plus 2M over 3. Here you have M, put 15 over 7 there. If you put this expression that you have here, you are still going to convert it to improper fraction. So you are going to put the improper fraction instead of the mixed fraction where you have M. You have P is equals to 3 plus, use this to open the bracket. 2 times 15 will give us 30. 30 over 7. Everything over 3. Now this is over 1. You are going to make this two fractions a single fraction, and if you are making it a single fraction, it means you find the LCM. And what's the LCM here? The LCM here is 7. So you have P is equals to, write everything over the LCM. Now take each denominator and divide this LCM by each of the denominators. 7 divided by 1, that's going to give us 7. 7 open bracket, what do you have at the numerator? 3. close bracket, plus 7 in 7, that's going to give us 1. 1 open bracket, 30, we have it at the numerator, over 1. Now let's solve this. 7 times 3 will give us 21, plus 1 times 30 will give us 30, over 7, everything divided by 3. Let's add the numerators that you have here together. 21 plus 30 is going to give us 51. We have 51 over 7 divided by 3 over 1. You can write it in this way, it's still the same thing. So our P is equals to 51 over 7. You cannot do anything to this unless you change this division to multiplication. So if you change the division to multiplication, it means they will swap position. Numerator will go to denominator and denominator will come to numerator. So you have times 1 over 3. Here you have P is equals to this and this, they can go 3 here 1, 3 here, 3 in 5 will give us 1, remainder 2. Put the 2 here, is going to become 21. 3 in 21 will give us 7. So you have 17 over 7. 17 times 1 will give us 17. 7 times 1 will give us 7. So you have 17 over 7. 2 remainder 3 over 7. So therefore M is equals to 2 whole number 1 over 7 and P is equals to 2 whole number 3 over 7. Let's take this equation. I will go with equation 1. I will isolate u in equation 1. With this, it means you've made u the subject of the formula. You are done with the first step. Now the second step is to substitute the expression for the isolated variable into the other equation, which is equation 2. Use this 5 to open the bracket. So if you have this, you can write this over 1, write this over 1, so that it can be in fractional way the way we have this. The next thing is to find the LCM and multiply all through by the LCM. You have 4 open bracket 55 plus 5v over 4 close bracket plus 4 times 2v is equals to 4 times 4. This 4 will cancel this 4. You are left with 55 plus 5v plus 8v is equals to 16. Now let's solve this and this. They are like terms. 5v plus 8v will give us 13v. We have 55 plus 13v is equals to 16. Now the next thing is to collect like term. 55, bring it to the other side of the equation and allow 13v to be on the left side of the equation. You have 13v is equals to 16 minus 55. You have 13v is equals to minus 39. Now we are looking for v and not 13v. What are we going to do? You are going to divide both sides by 13. So you have 13v over 13 is equals to minus 39 over 13. 13 will cancel 13. 13 here 1, 13 here 3. V is equals to minus 3. The next, which is also the last step, is to substitute the value of the solved equation into the expression of the isolated variables. U is equals to, open the brackets, plus times minus to give us minus 11 minus 3 over 4. 11 minus 3 will give us 8. U is equals to 8 over 4. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. So therefore V is equals to minus 3 and U is equals to 2. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Solve this question and drop your answer in the comment section below. Do well to like, follow and share for more interactive lessons.